Hey everyone, it's Peter again from Bendigo Ukulele Group, and Uke the Musical, the world's first play-along ukulele musical. It's theatre, folks. Proper grown-up theatre with a story and everything. You don't have to play the ukulele if you don't want to, but you can. And this is one of the songs. It's from Uke the Musical, which premieres in Guildford in Central Victoria in only a few short weeks in June. Well, middle of June anyway. This one's Mr Sandman. It's got an F sharp in it. Don't freak out, it's just G flatted 1 fret. Then it's got a B7, which I like, that you can play it same as G, but on the wrong string. First 3 chords. G, 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 kinda. Mr Sandman, give me a dream, make her the cutest. E7, A7, D7, stop on G. Tell me that my lonesome. Now, E flat 7 is just D7 up 1 fret on the 3rd fret. E flat D7, Mr Sandman. Do that all again. Bring me a dream, making the sweetest I've ever seen. Bring her to lips like roses and clover. Then tell me that my lonesome nights are over. G, F sharp, B7, E7, this time A minor, C minor. Mr Sandman, bring me a dream. There you go, folks.